Hey, great day to you. In this video, we are going to talk about the Helium-10 price and pricing in Australia. And also, I'll help you score the best deal for Helium-10. Click on the link down in the description of the video. It's going to lead you to this landing page where you will be able to find the best Helium-10 coupon codes and discounts so you can save big, as well as this link is going to give you a free account and free trial of Helium-10. So in this video, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the US dollar amount into Australian dollars so you'll be able to understand how much it is in your local currency in Australia. So in this way, your purchasing decision will be easier for you and you'll hopefully understand which plan is the right one for you. Great to meet you, by the way. My name is Vova Evans, seller on Amazon. I've prepared for you also a playlist of Helium-10 tutorials with over 230 videos that show you how to use different parts of Helium-10, link in the description. And also I would recommend you checking out my channel and click on the magnifying glass and type in Helium-10. You're going to find all my Helium-10 videos, playlists, tutorials, everything to help you make the most out of Helium-10. I've been using Helium-10 myself since 2017, and I've been selling on Amazon since 2016, still actively selling. So let's start the video, right? We have three plans: Starter, Platinum, and Diamond. Starter is $39 a month US. We're going to turn it into Australian dollars in a bit. So Starter $39, Platinum $99, Diamond $279. So let's see how much that is in Australian dollars, and then we're going to apply some discounts and see how you can save big and save the most. Now, let me tell you straight away, Starter is nice. It gives you access to Freedom Ticket course, which will show you how to start selling on Amazon from A to Z, a nice course, and also the Chrome extension by Helium-10, but that's about it. So it's kind of limited plan. The best plan is, well, I use the Diamond, so I would say that's overall the best plan, but many users that are beginners are using Platinum because it kind of gives you the best tools for product research, keyword research, listing optimization. You have the Chrome extension. It's all available with the Platinum, so it's a nice choice. But of course, with a Starter, you can also start. So let's see the prices and let's convert them to Australian dollars. So first one is $39 for the Starter, which is about 58 Australian. The second one is Platinum at 99, which is about 148 Australian, and 279 for the Diamond, which is about 419 Australian, almost 420. What is that? So now let's go back to the page and apply the discounts. So we have the first discount, Vova 10. Again, you have the page for the discounts in the description. Click on it, get all the best discounts, free account, free trial. But let's say we apply the Vova 10. It's going to give us 10% off for all the plans. So instead of paying 39 for Starter, we're going to pay 36. Now let's check it out in the Australian dollars. It was 39, so it was 58 for the basically Starter. Now it becomes 54, and it was about 148 Australian for the Platinum. It becomes 135. And it was about 419 for the Diamond, and it becomes 378. So there's nice savings, 10% off savings with the code VOVA10. Pretty cool, right? So that's for the monthly plans. Now we have another code, VOVA6 and 20, which I recommend a bit less because this one gives you a bit of, you're like, whoa, that's a bigger discount. Yes, but for 6 months only. After that, you have to pay for the full price. You have to pay the full price. And also this discount does not apply to the Starter plan. Okay, only the first one works with a Starter. So let's see the difference. Okay, there is a nice difference, but only for 6 months. I generally don't recommend this one because the previous one was like 10% off forever, right? So I've been using Helium-10 since 2017. So if you use it for so long, you're going to save way more money, but up to you. So let's see. It was for the Platinum, it was in normal kind of price, 148 Australian. It becomes 120 Australian. Okay, nice savings, pretty good. And with the Diamond, it was 419 Australian, and it becomes 336. So yeah, definitely big discounts here. But I would still recommend you the first discount because long term, you're going to save more money. But there is a way to save even more. How do you do that? You click here to see annual pricing. What does that mean? You can pay monthly for Helium-10 every month with a discount or without a discount. And that's nice. You get a discount. Or you can pay once per year and you're going to save way more money. Let's see how we do that. So let's pick the first code because it gives you discounts for all the plans. And for the annual plans, both of them give you the same discounts, even though it's 20% off with the Vova 6 M20. With the Vova 10 and Vova 6 M20 for the yearly plan, they give you both the same discount. What happens with the annual pricing, with the yearly? You have to click here. And that means you're going to save automatically 2 months with the yearly plan. So instead of paying for 12 months, you're going to pay for 10 months. And if you use the discount, you're going to pay for about 9 months. So let's see how it is on practice. So say we're paying 39 per month. That's on the Starter for 12 months. It's going to be 468 US. And that's going to be actually 703 Australian dollars for a year. If you pay monthly, no discounts, nothing for the Starter. If you then take the discount and you take the yearly, it's going to be 27 a month. So let's apply it. So let's take 27 and apply it x12 multiplied by 12. It's going to be 324. Let's see. So instead of paying 703 Australian for the year, month by month, you're going to pay like some amount of Australian dollars, right? Which turns out to be 703 for the whole year. If you pay in one go with all the discounts, boom, it's going to be 487. Okay, so that's big savings. If you pay in one go, yes, you have to pay in one go. That's a bit more money upfront, but you will save more money. Who is it good for? I see that those who buy annual plans are usually people who are maybe switching to Helium 10 or just upgrading from a lower plan to a bigger plan and need a discount. So, because you know you're going to be using it, you know how to use it, or at least you think you know how to use it because you've seen some videos. So you just buy the annual one to save more money. Or you're someone who wants to commit, because once you invest more money upfront, you're probably not going to quit. You're going to be using the tool, you're going to make the most out of it, you're going to research for products, optimize your listings, etc. That's a nice way to save big, essentially, right? So it's going to be 487 instead of about 700 with the starter. Let's see the platinum. Usually platinum is 99 a month. Okay, so if 99, normally you would pay 1,188. Okay, so that would be equivalent to 1,785 Australian dollars. Pretty cool. So what if I told you you can save big? Okay, so then you take with the discounts, you have the discounts applied. Again, the link in the description to the discounts page, free account, free trial. 72, okay, we will multiply it by 12. That will be $864 US. So let's see, instead of paying 1,785 Australian, if you pay monthly kind of thing, eventually you end up paying that per year. If you pay in one go, you will end up paying 1,298. So big savings there, right? We've saved quite a lot of money. If we only invest in one time, 1,298 Australian, we get platinum for a year and we save pretty much big. Let's see what is about the diamond in this case. So the diamond would be 279 with normal pricing, X12, 3348. So that's the money per year. If you pay monthly for the diamond, so yeah, 3348. Let's see. So that's in US. In Australian, it's going to be 5,033 Australian dollars. If we pay every month, end of the year, it's going to be $5,000 Australian. So let's see what happens if we use the savings. So again, if we use the code, link in the description, and we do the annual pricing, it's going to be 207 per month. So 207 x12. So that's 2,484 US. Let's see how much is it in Australian. So instead of paying 5,033 Australian for the Diamond Helium 10 plan in one go, we could pay only 3,700, which is about 1,300, 1,200 something saved in Australian dollars if we pay for the Diamond in one go. Yes, we have to pay it in one go, but we save quite a lot of money. So that's with the diamond. So again, in the description, you have the pricing page as well if you want to check out exactly what's included in each tool. Although I would recommend you kind of checking out my tutorials or my channel for Helium 10. You're going to find different tools of Helium 10 and what they do. Also, if you type in Helium 10 Diamond vs Platinum or Helium 10 Platinum vs Starter, I have those videos on my channel. The prices have changed slightly since then, but the tools are pretty much the same. I hope it's going to be helpful for you. They're in Australia. Again, in the description, best discounts, free account, free trial, and Helium 10 tutorials playlist for you. My channel, use the search to find Helium 10 tutorials or any other tutorials you need. Over 1,000 videos for you. And also you have my blog, vavaevan.com. I'm going to be glad to see you there. Been selling on Amazon since 2016, not stopping. And I'm hoping you are not going to stop. You live a good life. Be happy. Be well. I'm really happy to record this for you. And now I'm going to have dinner. And thank you for watching. Enjoy. All the links are in the description. Bye-bye.